We're back up here at Versailles State Park. Today we're going to do something a little bit on the fun side. It's more of an explorer. Oh, beautiful butterflies. You see that? We're going to hike the creek down as far as we can go. We're going to see about getting some underwater footage, look at some beauty, and we're just going to have one of them days we're going to explore. Let's have some fun. Let's get started. Alright, no sooner we got started, we had to turn around and go back because we're trying to find a way to cross safely. And we waited to do this till the water is down. And I've got footage of this dam lots. And whenever we have a huge rain, it's flowing through here. And we always want to hike through here, so we waited till the water was down. But to be able to cross over and get down further, we kind of got to make our way. Which would be the easiest way to cross? Right through here? This right here, that's going to be over our boots. And there's just nowhere to cross safely. Okay, we're walking back down again to see if we can cross over here. The downside to walking creek beds is you're on big boulders, well, medium-sized boulders. You gotta be dang careful, because if you're not, you turn your ankle like that. And the only thing is, it ain't the getting wet. I could care less about getting my feet wet. It's just my particular boots are very slick on the bottom. They're hiking boots, but they don't do so well on slick surfaces. And this right here, from here to there, is gonna be very slick. Okay, let's figure out what we're doing. Okay, we're going to walk the roadway and try to enter in from another side to be able to see if we can cross the creek that way and go down, or even walk to one side down. There's no way safely we could cross there. And this close to my vacation, I do not want to take a fall. Yeah, it was this area that we basically, excuse me, went hiking in one time where there was all that snow. It was right over that way where Angie made the snow angel. Yeah, right here's where we couldn't get across. So we're gonna walk up here a little further, see if we can find a place to cross. Huh, interesting. All right, I'll be back. Now the spot we're at now, we notice a lot of people down here fishing, but we're not seeing anywhere you can walk. The water's still it's too dang high. Here, let me show you what we see. Yeah, it's more of a adventure today, you know. I'm really looking forward to maybe dipping my GoPro white in the water for some underwater footage. Now after this, we're probably going to do some fishing. You will see that video Friday. Then after that, we go on vacation. Well, we don't. We still have another week before we go on vacation. Yeah, these videos this week is to cover my butt while I'm on vacation. Yeah, that way y'all don't miss out. Yeah, see, I'm thoughtful. We thoughtful, isn't we? Yeah, so we're just walking down the road trying to find a spot to get into the creek. Now, some people called a creek a crick. What do you guys call it, a crick or a creek? This is supposed to be exploring the creek. All we doing is walking up the dang road. Okay, we walked all the way up to the end of this road. Now we're gonna walk back and go to where we was at and figure it out from there, guys. We didn't plan this out good, did we? We thought for sure there was more areas where we can actually walk through and explore. Yeah, at least that's what we thought. All right, we'll see you at the other side. I tell you what, if there's such thing, if I can invent a filter to go on each side of my nose, right there to cover the hole, and call them gnat filters, I will make a fortune. Because these gnats here are horrible. They're trying to crawl up the nostrils. So every so often I have to go. Not that they're crawling in my nose, but they feel like it. So if I could vent little filters, of course then I wouldn't be able to breathe. Then I wouldn't have no need for the mask. Yeah, it's true. You know, if we could put little filters right here, wouldn't need a mask anymore. Just saying. And by the way, before I see the comments, I'm only having some fun. I'm joking. Let's not get talking about that dang mask. Just having a little fun. Trying to keep myself from being like, darn, we goofed up. Because we did. We goofed up. It's okay. An adventure's a venture. We're going to find a way to do something yet. All right, sometime maybe by next summer, I'm going to invest Compass and I will invest in a pair of water boots, knee high. I used to have a pair of them when I used to work at a place called Gerson's Fish and Poultry. I used to have a pair of water boots. Hello, I'm just vlogging, handshake. And we get them where they won't slide on slippery rocks. Then we'll be able to go virtually anywhere in this damn creek. But that's not going to help us today because that's not until next year. I can't afford that right now.
Careful. Ooh, that's yucky.
Okay, it looks like we're not going to be able to walk the creek bed down at all, hardly. We checked every point, every spot, and it's just going to be well over our shoes. Of course, we can always take our shoes off and walk. I can see it now. I can see you guys saying, which would be an option, but I don't feel like doing that. So we're going to go over where the dam is and the wall, and we're going to try to get some good underwater footage over there. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Today was more of an explorer day. Now, we explored this a little bit before, but not much of it. Not like what we're doing today. But yeah. All right, we'll see you over there. Alright guys, I did my best. The water's just not as clear. I don't know how it's going to come out. And honestly, I thought we would be able to hike further down, but this was an attempt. I'm going to go back to the car, clean off the GoPro stick. GoPro selfie stick for the white, and I guess we're going to end it here, guys. So, hey, we're going to do more stuff come on vacation. We're going to get more creek beds I could dip the GoPro down into. This is just an attempt to see if it'll work down here, which I don't know. I haven't done no editing. The water is very murky. So guys, until next time, come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you on our next adventure.